Founded in 2004, American WeatherStar is an established leader in the roof coatings industry. We manufacture high-quality, energy-efficient roof restoration solutions designed to restore and protect a variety of commercial and industrial roof substrates. By working with our approved contractors as more of a partner rather than just a vendor, we ensure that those installing our systems have the proper support every step of the way. Our systems, such as the Urasil Flat Roof Restoration System and Metagard Metal Roof Restoration System, must be installed by an American WeatherStar approved Platinum or Platinum Elite contractor, so building owners can rest assured that their roofs are in great hands. Nothing leaves our plant without passing rigorous quality control tests. The quality control measures of our manufacturing process go above and beyond industry standards to ensure our material outperforms expectations. The American WeatherStar production team and chemist work closely together to create an excellent final product. Our goal is to provide our contractors with the highest level of customer service. After receiving an order, we provide fast shipping from our multiple warehouses located in Mobile, Alabama, Dallas, Texas, Atlanta, Georgia, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. We stay in touch with our customers during the shipping process to provide tracking info and delivery updates. When you call American WeatherStar, you speak to an actual person, never a voicemail system or answering service. One of the factors that sets American WeatherStar apart is our lead generation program run by the Business Development Center. Because our contractors' success is also our success, we take steps to help them secure the roofing jobs they need to succeed. Using custom-designed direct mailers, telemarketing, online landing pages, and more, our lead generation program aims to put our approved contractors in front of more facility managers, property owners, and decision-makers. American WeatherStar is also unique in our FAST training courses, offered regionally and at our headquarters in Mobile, Alabama. FAST stands for Fluid Applied System Techniques. These 2-day or 1-day courses offer a comprehensive overview of the roof coatings industry to any commercial roofing professionals looking to add coatings to their services. FAST courses include in-depth presentations, approved contractor Q&A panels, live product demonstrations, hands-on exercises with roof coatings, networking opportunities, and more.
Ultimately, we ask facility managers and property owners, why replace your roof when you can restore it? And we ask roofing contractors, are you looking to diversify your commercial roofing business? Fluid applied roof restoration systems from American WeatherStar are proven to stop leaks, save energy costs, prolong roof life, and cost about half as much as conventional roof replacement.
For more information on American WeatherStar Fluid Applied Roof Restoration Systems and products, visit www.americanweatherstar.com.